Hey, what's up? I'm Sam from AI for Marketers, and today we're gonna do a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Midjourney for beginners. This is the first thing you see when you go to Midjourney. When you don't have an account, you can see the documentation, explore, sign up, and log in. Like, this is a landing page, right? The about, advisors, everything else, careers, contact, everything. It's like a super simple landing page. In my opinion, Midjourney is by far the most advanced AI image generator out there. I've been using Midjourney since early 2023, and they were actually the first one to implement something that more people could use for image generation. Before them, to create images with AI, you had to run your own model, like locally, in your Mac or your PC. So yes, I really like Midjourney. Okay, I'm logged in. This is an interface when you get to your account. You can see here, that's my account. You can see manage profile, manage subscription, manage uploads, Midjourney Discord, log out. Let's go to manage subscriptions because I want to show you the plans. I have the basic plan now. And I've canceled before because I was using just, DALL-E generations or Adobe Firefly. But honestly, Midjourney has by far the best quality generations. I'm on the basic plan, is $10 a month, limited generations to 100 a month, general commercial terms, access to members gallery, optional credit top-ups, 3 concurrent fast jobs. And these are the plans of Midjourney. The basic plan I just read, the standard plan, which is $30 a month. It gives you the same as the basic plan plus 15 hours of fast generations and unlimited relaxed generations. There's a pro plan, $60 a month, 30 hours of fast generations, and also stealth image generation. And the mega plan, which is $120 a month, it gives you 60 hours of fast generations and everything else the pro plan has. If you're asking what fast generation means, is this. We have 2 models for image generation, fast and relax. Fast tries to give you GPU instantly. It's our highest priority processing tier and it's kind of expensive. The basic plan comes with 200 fast GPU minutes, and the standard one comes with 15 fast GPU hours. 1 hour is roughly 60 image generations or upscale commands. But these numbers are experimental and they might change at any time. So that means that with the basic plan, you only have access to 60 high quality image generations. Okay, so now let's go to explore. Random, we can see what people are creating, everything that you always do in Midjourney ends up in the homepage, and you can see what people have been making. That's a pretty cool dragon. This is like a beautiful city, dude. Like, look at that. Wow, dude, beautiful. Looks like Monaco. Yeah, looks Mediterranean. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so that's basically the explore option. We can see like the hot thing, like what people are liking. If you go to likes, you see the things I've liked before. Then we have our create page where, we create and we see our, prior creations. This Vegeta creation was for Luma's tutorial. If you have not seen that and you want to learn how to use Luma for video generation, you can go there. I've been using this account for a while now, and I had the receipts to prove it. This is all of my generations, like throughout time. We're going 2023 now. 2023, that's like a year ago. God, I don't even know what was here, dude. Okay, let's go to the first one. You've reached the end. Okay, so this was my first generation. That's pretty cool. I was trying to make like a self-portrait. So yeah, I've been using it for a while. This was for a friend of mine. This was for like a logo I was trying to make. And dude, this was like the first infographic I created with Midjourney. That's super cool, dude. Okay, you see here the organize option. For example, if I just wanted to see my upscaled generations, I would just click that, and then I'll see like only the ones I've created with like upscale things. So if you have a lot of images and you want to organize it, you can just create a folder and say, like, in this case, like last month's generations, and you can either manually add things to the folder, or you can just select smart folder, and in the search terms you can say like everything orange, and it will create a folder. Everything that I've generated that's orange is gonna be on that folder. So cool, super useful. Let's go now to chat. This is basically the same interface Midjourney had before in Discord, and people just share their creations and share notes and advice on generating cool images. You have your daily teams, you have prompt craft for people to like discuss how to create cool prompts, general chaos where people just share whatever they want, and the newbies for the beginners using Midjourney. Then you have this tags page. This is basically for you to help curate Midjourney's models, and they give you fast hours, which means like more credits to create more images. So yeah, let's go create something. Okay, as I said, we're gonna do only a beginner prompt, and I only want to show you guys the interface of Midjourney, like how you can edit and create an image to your liking. But again, the most powerful tool with any AI software is your prompt. The guidance you give Midjourney or any other tool is what's gonna make or break your creation. So again, the more specific you are with the prompt, the best the image that's gonna generate. As I've been telling you guys, I want to run a marathon in December, so I'm gonna generate myself running that marathon. Let's put handsome, handsome and fit 25-year-old brown-haired white guy running a marathon in Tokyo, sunny day, dark blue attire, orange shoes, green landscape, depth of field. Let's add zoom out and let's say photorealistic for this style. Okay, so that's our prompt. It's a simple prompt, but we can add things later after the first generation. We can pick here the image size. We're gonna do landscape, and then the aesthetics part, which is super important. This one, stylization, is I think the most important one. This influences how strongly the Midjourney aesthetic is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connected to the prompt. So I wanna do 200 there because I wanted to follow the prompt, but I also want, like, you know, creativity from Midjourney. Then we have weirdness, introduces quirky qualities to your generated images, resulting in unique and unexpected outcomes. We're gonna do 300 there. I'm very conservative now. And then we have virality, which before was chaos. It influences how different each image generation is. So what I want to do is to generate different images, so I'm gonna put that one in 50. In the model option, you can pick the standard or the raw model. Raw mode replaces the default aesthetic of some Midjourney versions. Using it can help you create more photorealistic images, cinematic scenes, or queer characters. So we're gonna use the raw. This is the version of the model of Midjourney. You can pick whichever version you want. If you're doing anime generations, I would use Niji 6, but if you're not, if you're doing any other type of aesthetic, I would just use the latest model version. You can personalize your creation if prior to this you have done the task of ranked different images. So in the task window, you have a personalized page and you can just rank different image generations. And with that, Midjourney learns your taste, and if you pick here on, it will generate something based on the things you've ranked before. We're gonna leave that off, and with more options, you have speed. You can pick between fast and turbo. Turbo is much faster but spends double the amount of fast hours. So we're gonna leave that on fast, and we're gonna generate. Just click enter. Generate it. The reason I picked 50 in chaos is because I want every image to be super different, so that I can pick one of those styles. And then for the next generation, when we're curating the image, we can just put chaos in 10 so that every generation is just a little bit different. There you go, it's ready. Let's see it. Okay. So this guy, yeah, he doesn't look like me. Okay, this one's more like me. Yeah, that's me, literally. Dude, I want those shoes, dude. Those are pretty cool shoes. Okay, he looks Asian. Yeah. This one's like, I don't really like the aesthetic of this one, although I really like the shot. The model also like created the human perfectly, I think. Well, there's like the hand thing there. Weird hand. Okay, this is a back shot. Okay, I like that one. My favorite is this one. As I said, I wanted every single image to be super different. But now what we're gonna do is try to curate this specific image. Okay, so let's say I like the structure of this image, but I want it to be a little bit more different. I would just go here to vary and click either subtle or strong variations. If you want to change it a lot, press strong. If you want to change it just a little bit, press subtle. If you want to upscale your image, you can do subtle upscale or creative upscale, which means that it's gonna add things to the photo. And also, if you didn't like it, you can rerun the prompt or edit certain parts of the image or the prompt. We're gonna do that now. So first, I'm gonna show you how the variation works. If we press here strong variations, it's gonna create 4 different images based on this one. Okay, so you can see here how it generated different images from the first one. So this was our original one, and then it took the inspiration from that one and created this, and this. Honestly, I didn't like any of them. I prefer the original one. Let me show you upscale. We're gonna do creative. Okay, you can see that this is like a much higher quality image. You can see the details there, like, you know, the effects, the type of image. If you compare it to the prior one, you can see that it changed a bit the style though. So when you do the upscale thing, you gotta know that it's gonna change a bit the style of the image. But that's only in the creative option. If you do subtle upscale, it's not gonna change that much the image. we can edit something if we want, and this is like one of my favorite things about Midjourney. We can edit the image. So let's say that I wanted to expand this to, you know, a landscape portrait, and I want a shot like this, right? I can just leave it there. Say that I want to erase that part because I don't like that tree, and I want those same trees to be there. Yeah, the rest is perfect. I just wanted to generate everything else that's transparent right now in the image. So you're gonna basically complete it. Let's submit, and now wait for it a little bit. And wow, dude, you can see like the thing generated a super cool backdrop, right? That's amazing. You can see like different parts of the shot, the same image. And then we have this one. What's just like changing is like the landscape part, like the main part of the image is the same guy just running, right? This one is my favorite one by far. So that's basically me running the marathon. Again, guys, this is like a step-by-step guide for beginners. But if you want more advanced tutorials on how to use Midjourney for specific generations, we have a complete playlist here with all of our Midjourney tutorials. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.